Alright, good day, you are welcome to my channel. The question here says solve the equation 6 raised power x plus 6 raised power s plus 6 raised power x all over 3 raised power s plus 3 raised power x is equal to 24. Now for us to solve this, let's add these three. They are like terms. Three of them, they are like terms. So we have three of them. So I can say 3 of 6 raised to power x all over. Here we have two of them, so we can add them too. We say 2 of 3 raised power x is equal to 24. Now, if you check this, we have 3 up here and we have 2 down here. We can simply multiply this part by a number so that these 2 and these 3 can disappear. And what will be that number? It is simply to multiply them by the inverse of the numbers. So I can simply multiply by the inverse of this number. So this is 3 over 2. So the inverse of 3 over 2 is 2 all over 3. So I can simply multiply by 2 all over 3. And in doing that, I also do that to the right hand side of the equation, because whatever I do to one side of an equation, I'm to do that to the other side of the equation. So I'm also going to multiply by the same number, 2 over 3. Then you agree with me that 2 will cancel 2, and then 3 will also cancel 3. Then here, 3 here, 1. 3 in 24 is 8. So what I have left here is going to be simply the 6 raised to power x. And this 6 raised to power x can be broken down to 2 times 3, because 6 is 2 multiplied by 3. Then all raised to the power of the x. So this 6 here, which is left here, is the same thing as 2 times 3, because 6 is 2 times 3. Then the power is x. Then all over 3 raised to the power x. And then that will be equal to 8 multiplied by 2 will give me 16. So that is what I have left there. And then if I simplify further, this numerator here, the power here affects the 2 and the 3 inside the bracket. So this power affects these 2 here. So it's going to be 2 raised to power x, 2 raised to power x, and then multiplied by the x power also affect the 3 here. So it's going to be 3 raised to power x, and then all over 3 raised to power x that is there on the denominator. And that will be equal to 16 that I have on this side. Now, you agree with me that 3 raised to power x can cancel 3 raised to power x. So this cancel this. So I have 2 raised to power x left on this side. And that will be equal to 16 in a base 2, because this base here is 2. So I can also raise 16 to a base 2. And so 16 will be 2 raised to power 4. 2 raised to power 4, that is the same thing as 16. Then now that the bases are equal, what I can simply do is to equate the power. So when the bases are equal, it also means that the powers are equal. So finally, I can conclude by saying x is equal to 4 by equating the power. So this is the final answer. So please subscribe to this channel so that I can get more detailed videos like this. Thank you.